If you want to have more energy throughout the day and less stress, then what I recommend is a really, really simple morning routine. Now, you might have one already, or you might have heard of one, but I just want to tell you about what mine is at the moment. And I don't always get this right, and I don't always do it perfectly, and it depends what's going on in life. But when I do it, like this morning, I just feel great and everything works better. So here's my morning routine. First of all, I like to have coffee in the morning, and I mix it with collagen, which is a protein powder. I'll talk about that another day. But I prepare my stovetop coffee maker, the little espresso one, the metal one, the night before. And that's actually a big part of all of this, is prepping things the night before. So put the water and the coffee in, put it on the stove, get my clothes out that I'm going to wear that day. Basically, just to make the whole morning thing as slick as possible, so I can kind of slide through the flat and out the door with minimal resistance. So I've got my coffee thing all prepared. Then, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I try to do is make my first thoughts positive. And that doesn't have to mean fairyland, woo, my life's wonderful, but just be thankful, grateful for the fact that, you know, this could be a great day. You know, I get to treat my patients, I get to go to the gym, I'm grateful for my family, my friends, my daughter, things like that. And that just sets me in a happier mood straight away. And then I think about the things, and this takes about a minute. Just think about the things that I want to achieve that day, right? I want to be a good chiropractor and get my patients better, communicate well, I want to really smash it at the gym, and I'm going to make a video. That's what I was thinking of. So I've done my positive thoughts, and then I get out of bed, I walk to the kitchen, turn the stove on. Don't have to make the coffee, just have to turn the stove on. So that gives me about 4 minutes to go and do basic bathroom stuff, and then I come back and have my coffee. And then I'll sit on, I've got a little balcony, but if in winter, then it's, you know, it's obviously I'm not going to sit outside, but just sit on my chair and just think about, again, putting myself in the right frame of mind. So instead of just frantically rushing around in the morning, I'll give myself 5, maybe 10 minutes, depends how much time I give myself, to just kind of settle and get myself in a stress-free or low-stress state. I might write something down. This is what I want to achieve today, that kind of thing. And then when I finish my coffee, then it's go and have a shower. Then I do some stretches on my bedroom floor. So it's really, really basic. Again, it takes about 90 seconds. I just kind of reach up like this a few times, do a few twists, squat down and let my knees click, and then just go onto my front, arch back in like a cobra position, twisting around from one side to the other, do another couple of stretches. Again, it doesn't take much time, but if I do these, and by the time I walk out the door, my body feels light and mobile rather than all stiff and achy like I've still just got out of bed, which again, especially because I've got a physical job that involves moving patients around and leaning over a bench, adjusting people, it really helps my body to feel more free. Then I get dressed and make sure I've got all my stuff together, and my gym stuff's already in the car, so I don't forget it like I did on Friday. And then I go to work. And this all takes about 45 minutes. You know, sometimes if it's the weekend, I might take a bit longer. And I'm also aware that if you've got kids and stuff like that, that has to be factored in. But the idea of a morning routine is that you get yourself right before you have to be everything to everybody else. So that might mean getting up half an hour earlier, for example, because the kids get up early, but it means that you've set your headspace right and your body's all sorted out and you've done everything you want to do, everything you need to do before you go to work, before you look after the kids, or before you do whatever it is that you're going to do that day. Hope this is helpful. Wanted to keep it really simple and brief. If you've got any questions about that, any of the details or what else you could include in a morning routine or the benefits of it, please let me know. And yeah, I'll speak to you soon.